Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have my mask because I go on the road. I go on the maybe. But good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I know you miss me, but I have stuff I deal with and I'm going to show you right now what I have to deal with. Okay, so we went to Lovell day before yesterday, and Lovell gave me the gender reveal, the gender of the baby. Ooh. It's not the gender reveal, it's the gender of the baby. Yeah. I'm super excited.
Because I know what the answer is.
Yeah, I know nothing. Guys, the doctor gave it to Lovell seal and Lovell gave it to me seal. I now pull it. Nah,
you know what the quick name that mean?
Lie, I tell.
I know what the answer
Lie. So it's sealed and it's in my purse. I soon show you. But I just feel so, Maxi, what a word, honored?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel so honored to have it. So Lovell said I'm in charge of the gender reveal. She want me to decorate. She want me to do put my little touch to it. So yeah, she said she gonna get some decoration and give them to me so I can use them on the day. But knowing me, Iandra, me extra bad. So me want to go shop around to for things to add my little touch to the whole decorating and the whole process. Yeah. So, I not lie, the only down part to this, I kind of feel sad-ish because I didn't want the surprise. I didn't want to get surprised too. I never did want to see what kind of gender until the day. But me is a team girl. Team girl all day, every day. Maxi is a what?
God.
Maxi is a team girl or boy?
Yeah, say he's a boy or a girl?
Yeah, which one rather?
He's a boy.
He's a boy?
Yeah, boy.
Babe, which one you say?
Boy.
Me is a team girl, he's a girl, yeah? He's a girl. I saw this place on Instagram when I want to reach out to. Them sell the thing for the gender, the reveal. But guys, if you don't know nowhere, comment below and let me know so I can reach out to them. So me I go for the one where you put the dust in there for the gender and then you pop it. Or them have the one with the balloon, you put the dust or you put the dust, the pink or the blue, and then you pop the balloon. But me want the one where you spin and it pop. So yeah, me need to reach out to the place there and me need pink and blue stuff. Me just feel so happy.
I'm gonna tell you 5 people.
So me not gonna pull the envelope until me go to the place and them ask me like what gender, so I can know which color dust figure or the glitter or whatever if it pop out of the thing. Kaddish suggested something to me yesterday. So Kaddish they say, if you want it for surprise you, why you not just give the person who they're the store the gender and tell them something I tell you so it actually surprises you as well on the day. But knowing me no want to go bad, so I want to know so when time them put the right dust in there. Me want to say the right dust, them put them not make no mistake. Plus, I want to like we play some games and all of that, so I want to do some little trick on the side. And you know what I mean?
Instagram and I'll give it
Jesse don't know the gender, but yeah, I'm excited. So Maxi is a team boy. And the mommy is a team boy. Yes, me asked her last night and she said, boy, Jesse is a team boy, me is a team girl. Me don't know Lovell and Lucy. Me don't know Lovell and Lucy is a what, but me feel so when me pregnant, me go get a boy. Me feel so a boy, me go get first.
Young years a man.
Guys, if you now wonder like why me have on the mask, me don't want to forget it. When me go up on the road, so I just put it on from now, even though I could have catch it. But yeah, so that's that. Me I go up on the road now. Maxi a sip on some sparkling wine. Yeah. And Jason I do something cause in torment. They plug out the orange card behind the chest of drawer. But yeah guys, that's that me no wanna miss me. But me up and down. Yo, yesterday me tired. Jason go live and me asleep on live. I was so tired. But I say go. And guys, I have some other announcement to make. I know me are guessing up for a while. Why your
See,
announcement?
about that thing, the way you have up on this, move up there. See, there we broke up.
Oh my
We
god.
break up.
Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
There's something drop off of the chest of drawer.
Aye.
Love it. Love it, I'm so sorry.
I'm not sorry, because I wouldn't drop then.
Babe, I didn't know at the breeze blow. Guys, the curtain there, right? The chest of drawer there in front of the curtain. When the breeze blow, it look like it blew it down or something. But me gonna get back a frame. Guys, I'm starting my business. Me never did ready to say it yet because me did want to wait until it more organized because the picture for the stuff them not take all now, but me I start out small and then take my time going at because you know just want to buy up a whole lot of stuff, you don't know how it go work out yet. So just I hope for the best, but I have little, not really little, but I have some things. I have to take the picture for them, but Jason I get a chance to take the picture them yet. And the business page I come and all of that. Me never did want to say it because me know me gonna have people reach out to me and my DM like, hey Andrea, what this, what that, da 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 da, which I have no problem with. But me did just want to give you everything one time so you could have got to go get all of the necessary information. But your girl is starting a business. I want to be productive for 2021. Yeah, may I try a thing. Yep, so that's it. Guys, probably about now and the 5th of March or the 10th of March, I'm gonna have everything ready. We're not gonna say what me venture into. I don't really want to give too much information now because I still want it to be a surprise, but people in my DM like, Andrea, guess we up too long now. Tell her what's up. So that's up. That me I deal with.
Until you enjoy the with a surprise, at least probably need to post the back foot.
Why?
No, because from when you hear talk about me, even
No man, me go tell them. Me not edit it
I
out.
remember how you have a surprise with to how many days wait for your surprise.
Because babe, me guess Maxi, you see me just want to be organized. You see when you go do business, you don't want to put piece of information out there because people are always in your DM like, what you do? When this are gonna come, when that are gonna come, so me do you want to make one thing and just say, guys, this are the business page, this are the this are the that. I have the business page already, but the thing is, the picture them not take it. I want it to be professional, so me ask Jason to take them. Because since him do them stuff there, me gonna make him
Makes sense.
take the picture them for me. Because me now just want to use my phone and take a regular picture. I want to have my nice
Official,
background
yeah.
set up. So guys, it's a process. I want to have my backdrop to take my picture them pan like the little fluffy mat.
And I tell them when you say I got pay me for this.
Me gonna pay you. Guys, me gonna pay him because him do. What that called? What kind of graphic you do? Wow, the business page ready as me say, but me just not gonna put it out there because me I wait until me have the product them on it. So yeah, but me have the product them though. Me have everything. Me have the backdrop where me gonna use to take the picture them, but I just Jason for find time to take my picture them for me. So that I go on. For the vlog here, just an update. I miss some days, but guys, I tell them I could do no better. But I have a video come for tomorrow, and this will come today. So yeah, walk up on the road now. So you ready, babe, or no?
Yeah, they're ready.
Alright, you ready, Maxi?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Maxi, you like me for your brother?
What did you say a while ago?
You like me for
You
your
like
brother?
it for your brother?
Yeah.
You have to say it me like you as a sister.
No, but me say you like me for your brother? You like me for
As you
your
say, if
brother?
I like you for my brother.
Yeah.
Brother don't love you and like you already, you know. So,
So what you think? You think so me I want to for him?
but must. For a long time I never tell him that.
What you think
Ask
so?
him. Because you wanna know, and even about the match. And even about the matching thing, you see me? Because I'm not gonna match, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? But for me, you know, I kind of feel like you have some more sincere thing, boy, more than anyone that I female that will never buck up. Feel it down. Not saying you know, must have it, you know.
Yeah.
But you have a more sincerity. You see me? I kind of rate that. You see that? If I tell the dog, say, yo, it's a good woman to have dog. No matter how you have, work it out. Because at the end of the day, some girl, The midnight for the glamour and the hype, but you did it with him before you have that. So, you see me? So, see that. Oh, the people them say they want to find out the what punishment me get. Ask them.
Oh guys, what kind of punishment and I suggest Maxi forget?
And then people keep on telling me say me forget me fi drink, eat pepper. Oh, no,
Eat pepper? You love pepper?
No, I'm gonna give my can't say no for a day. So everything I say, I have to say yes.
Pokey dogs, Maxi, you can't manage that. Everything what you say you can't say, no?
Slave in
No,
this.
hold on, wait a second. You can't say no for a day.
Yeah, so everything I say, I have to just go with.
So if Jason say go to
So if me want to go in that
supermarket.
vehicle, I say lift me up, put it in that car. You have to lift me up, put it in that car.
And if you say, hold on there. So you say, if you say, no frontier.
Yo, man, I don't know
If
what
you say like that, no, if you say, no frontier.
If you say it,
No, if you say, no frontier.
meaning.
No frontier. So, for me,
If you say, I can't give you a link and
I say no
you
frontier.
can't
No, you can't do it.
So when you give me that challenge, eh?
Soon, not today.
Oh, my mother gave me the have him on the bed. Oh. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We know Mr. Media go carrying up on the road with me. Never get a chance. But only tired of the excuse that Angel. Oh, come on, man. Tired of the excuse. But guys, sometimes they just get real busy. Like me get real busy. Not even can take up the camera. But today was a very productive day and successful. And all I can say is thank you, Lord, and good things come to those who wait. I'm tired. I don't know if I see it in my face. I'm tired. I just want to sleep. I just want bed and lay down. And tomorrow is we got church, right?
Yeah.
And tomorrow is church. Today is Saturday, guys. I know it late. Let me tell you now what time. 8:31. And we're reaching a little bit before curfew. I saw. We're reaching a little bit before curfew, and now me have to go iron, because me now wake up and iron tomorrow. I go iron with church clothes for tomorrow. So tomorrow is another day. But at least we got through the day more smooth, because when you're at church and you just listen, it relaxes you. So that's how I go on for today's vlog. Yep. So church tomorrow. I'm gonna close off the video here right now, see if I can give it to you by 9. But I love if I could have give it to you, because I'm not going to nothing in a couple of days now, probably 4 days. And people in my DM. But what I try to do is when I don't put up any video on my channel, I go over to Instagram and I talk to my people. Them like if you message me, I talk to you. So when I can't talk to me on Instagram as well. But this is the end of today's video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye guys.